hadn't reckoned on that. The other massive mistake which we made, conceptual error we made, was that we had assumed, because it was true of almost every referendum there's ever been anywhere, was that people who went all the way through the and were still basically undecided, if they voted, would end up on balance
for the status quo,
yes. Because it's the less risky option. That's happened almost everywhere, and that didn't happen either.
Because it didn't feel like the status quo, did it? It felt, I mean, that was one of the great victories of the snake oil salesman, is that it felt like a kind of a temporary aberration by the time they finished their administrations, rather than actually the best available system.
Yes, and I think the failure of the Remain campaign was that we didn't give people sufficient clarity, the reason to believe that it was too risky to do, and therefore we enabled.
Триста 36. Можно вас, как свидетеля? А, то есть вы не видели, да? Давай, давай.
Ебаный, да? Ты, конечно, конь ебаный. Слушай, ты что говоришь? Ты конь ебаный, я тебе говорю, ты со средней полосы, блядь, со средней полосы влево уходишь. И ты думаешь, что, слева нету машин, что ли? Если бы слева машин не было, ты бы сам бы слева ушел. Я тебе предъявляю, что ты конь ебаный, ты сам остановился. Я тебе сказал, что ты конь ебаный, ты справа полосы уходишь влево. То ты не конь?
Я тебе объяснил, я тебя не видел.
Блядь, это твои проблемы, видишь?
Ну, мои проблемы, не мои проблемы, я тебе говорю, тебе право не даю.
Шо, блядь? Нихуя ты, блядь, долбоёб.
Пошли отъедем, я тебе говорю.
Давай нахуй, уходи, блядь.
Пошли отъедем, я тебе говорю.
Стой, бля, выходи, бля.
But there's these great fresh ingredients, there's awesome wines. I wanted you to, and we should have Corey talk about what's on your charcuterie plate that I got you today.
Yeah, I was just going to ask him. I mean, we got several cheeses and cold charcuterie stuff. So tell us what we got. I see the prosciutto.
Yes, so we have prosciutto. Prosciutto is coming out of Ponte Italy. It's 1 year in age. And then I also put on spec on there, which is a smoked prosciutto. So something maybe that you haven't tried before. Then we have some salami on there, a little capicola, and we have Cherry-Gold olives. We did 2 different types of pickled zucchini on there, house made, pickled red onion. We have our house mozzarella on there. That's
They're fucking genius.
we did the rosemary, golden raisin, focaccia.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, that's really good.
Thank you.
I can hear you chewing.
Yeah.
I know, chewing. I know, what a pig I am. I know.
sorry. TJ, I didn't get one of these. Only you have one of these, and I hope everyone who's stuck in traffic is sitting here thinking, "Oh my God, I want to go to Matucci's and get a plate right now."
Now, Ken, I thought you were indulging with us. Hey,
Just a warning.
that's a shame. I got one
fucking jerk ass.
question for you.
I'll tell you what.
You better fucking stop.
Okay, already.
I guess what they call it, the Sicilian garlic gravy, a good red sauce. What's the secret?
Good red sauce. First of all,
Get off my fucking ass.
Italian, first and foremost.
Jesus Christ! You fucking asshole! You fucking asshole!
Oh shit.
Shit. Somebody call 911? Hold on, let me see if I can call. Nobody called. I bet you nobody called. It just happened. Hold on.
Well, obviously I know. Yeah, they.
Here. Stop. Make seriously, okay? We got our. You okay? Oh shit, move back. CPR certified, so I technically have to stop whenever I see something, which is some yes, but whatever. Last time I stopped was in Canada. See, and that is why we wanted you over here.
Yeah.
That is why we wanted you over here.
Oh my God. Because people are not paying attention. They
oh my
they
Lord! I can't. What the fuck? How do you? Oh my God! Oh my God, Lord!
I don't have no flares.
And you know what? I'm extremely thankful that you were right here. Right here.
I don't even know.
Right here. See?
She's not answering.
They couldn't see because we could barely see when we pulled up.
That was the most terrifying moment of my life. They stopped so abruptly. Like I looked up and they were just completely stopped.